In Giraffe, rapid optioneering allows you to generate and compare multiple design options side by side in real time. In this project, I've set up 3 different scenarios, all for the single site, and separated them out onto their individual layers. I've also set up views, and that allows me to quickly navigate between these options in order to activate the necessary layers and visualize it on the map. So as I click between these, we can see scenario 2 and scenario 3, which has an additional 4-story uplift applied to it. Behind each of these designs, Giraffe runs real-time analytics, which is what we can see on the right-hand side. We can group these results and sort by key metrics. So I've actually highlighted development metrics here, which lists total dwellings, total GFA, some residential GFA separated out because we are looking at a mixed-use development here, and also some financial metrics attached to each of those options. We can organize that through the configurable settings icon as well in order to control what is displayed here. So if I navigate up to settings, we jump through to settings. There's actually a 3rd scenario listed here. And if I untick that and close this window, we can see that now our 3rd scenario that we have listed down here and currently visualized on the screen is now listed in our column in analytics. And we can compare that to the previous 2 options in terms of the total dwellings. So we can see that significant uplift with the additional 4 stories that we applied. And because all these options are dynamically linked, when I edit key parameters or make any adjustments in the model, we can visualize that unit count, that total dwellings, and the costing all being updated live with each of the changes. So as I add and remove levels here, we can see those numbers updating on the right-hand side. The idea of a usage or a residential usage in Giraffe allows us to bake these properties into the typology, and we can control that through the usage editor. So essentially what's happening here, we've got a hard cost property. That's $2,000 for the residential usage. And if I was to come in here and change this to say $3,000, and now I hit save and we keep an eye on the right-hand side, we can see all of those numbers across the 3 different scenarios updated because they're all being driven by this common typology across the different scenarios.